So I see you have been in trouble to have a productive day. You know what? To have a productive day, you firstly need to have a morning routine to set your tone for a great day. So today in this video, I will tell you all the steps required to master your morning routine and be ready for a great day. So the key to successful morning routine is waking up early. And I mean, you don't have to wake up at 4 a.m. or that bullshit thing. You just have to wake up 6 a.m. Cause 64% of people do not wake up till 6 a.m. And waking up 6 a.m. will be a very great day for you because you will see the sunrise and it will be a very great. So secondly, you have to hydrate in the morning after waking up cause your body have been dried up till all your night. Mug up that water. And thirdly, you have to do a little stretching to have a mobility and run through all of your tasks for the day. Fourth thing, you have to gratitude yourself cause it will help you to have achieve your goals and be gratitude about yourself. And next step is all about that, setting goals for the day. Assign just 3 tasks for the day and try to achieve just those 3 tasks. You don't have to achieve many tasks a day cause it will be counterproductive. You have to just do 3 tasks a day and it will be a great day for you. It should be 3 tasks and in the morning and done. Congratulations, it is your morning routine for the day. Sounds simple, right? Yes, because having too much steps in your morning routine can be counterproductive and it will exhaust all of your energy levels throughout the day. So that's all for this today. See ya.